it's Chellbee, and this morning I am actually coming to you guys with a morning coffee with Chellbee video. This one in particular is going to be more relevant. I need coffee, I'm sorry. Today's video is actually geared towards moms, probably new moms in particular, or you know, maybe you're not a new mom but you still feel this way. But I know that I've suffered with mom guilt since becoming a new mom, and maybe just because me in general, I'm someone who suffers with guilt in general because I'm like such a perfectionist. So if I get something wrong, I'm usually really hard on myself. So same thing goes for being a mom. You know, when things aren't going right, I get really hard on myself. So I've been trying to work very hard to not judge myself too harshly, and just to be as graceful to myself as possible. And you drinking your water? I'm sorry. So today I actually just wanted to share a affirmation that I wrote down for myself that I thought might help you also if you're a mom who suffers from mom guilt. I will trust myself and my instincts. I will trust my child to tell me what she needs. I will not condemn myself for being imperfect. I will do my best every day and leave my mistakes behind me. And this actually reminded me of the Philippians, and I hope I'm saying that right, the 3:13 verse. And I actually was going to read that. It says, "Brothers, I do not consider that I have made it my own. But one thing I do, forgetting what lies behind and straining forward to what lies ahead. I press on towards the goal for the prize of the upward call of God in Christ Jesus." That verse in particular just really reminded me of the importance of just letting yesterday be yesterday and focusing on the future, not dwelling, sorry, I could not get that word out, not dwelling on the past, or not dwelling on the past, and really just allowing myself to enjoy the moments, and you know, when things don't go right or as planned, to let it go and move on, so that I can ultimately, you know, do my best every day, because it's hard to do your best when you're constantly focusing on what you did wrong. And I'm sure if you're a mom, you can understand. You know, you have good days, and then you also have days that are a little bit rougher. I feel like, you know, especially with the baby, they can't talk, they can't tell you what they need. And so it can be really difficult sometimes to try to figure out what they need, when they need it. So yeah, it's a learning curve. It's definitely a learning curve. But it's a beautiful thing. It's an unimaginable and undescribable type of love. But anyways, I'm not gonna ramble anymore. This is supposed to be a very short morning coffee with Chellbee video. I clearly need more coffee, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. All you moms out there, don't be tough on yourself. You know, give yourself a break. It's all right. You can do it. You got this. Like I tell my mom friends, you got this. We got this. We're gonna be all right. Until next time, you guys, be blessed. Stay safe. Bye.